Hello and welcome to Blue Sky Graphics. We are honoured to have you with us. Here at Blue Sky Graphics, we are a leading online graphic design school led by industry and expert leading tutors delivering one-to-one online classes. We've been teaching for just over 10 years, enhancing creative curiosities and preparing future graphic designers for the real world. Driven by passion and performance, we are purely dedicated to the art of graphic design. Our website and enrolment registration information can be found at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Here in this video, we're going to be using Photoshop. Now, Photoshop is particularly useful here because it helps change the skin tone. It creates high resolution copies of photos. With Photoshop, you can adjust the brightness or remove a blur in photos as well. Of course, the additional advantage of using Photoshop is the fact that whoever uses it can enhance, expand, and sort of strengthen his or her overall editing skills. Photoshop is the industry standard software when it comes to editing, retouching and preparing photographs and ambience attributes. Here in this video we're using it in particular to quickly create some wallpapers for multi-purposes. We're using image shadowing techniques. We're duplicating an image and then creating a shadow for volume and depth. The goal here is to use a feather technique and crop images with these very simple tools. We teach Photoshop as part of the graphic design course. For more information, get in touch.